Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Masterclass online classes app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Masterclass is a premium learning platform offering video lessons taught by top-tier experts and celebrities in their respective fields. From cooking with Gordon Ramsay to filmmaking with James Cameron and writing with Margaret Atwood, the app brings big-name instructors to your screen. The app's main feature is its high-production value video courses. Each class breaks down into 10 to 20 lessons, typically 10 to 15 minutes long, making them digestible and engaging. You'll find a wide variety of topics ranging from music, sports, design, business, to lifestyle and more. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Masterclass for its cinematic lesson delivery, inspiring instructors, and the ability to learn from renowned professionals. Its flexible format lets you learn at your own pace and across devices. However, there are some drawbacks. The subscription cost is higher than many other learning apps, and the courses tend to emphasize insight and inspiration over detailed hands-on skill development or accreditation. Some users also report difficulty canceling subscriptions or confusion over billing. In summary, the Masterclass app may be worth using if you want to learn from industry legends and seek high-quality, inspirational lessons across diverse fields. However, if you're looking for extensive hands-on practice, skill certifications, or low-cost options, other platforms might better suit those goals. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.